Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section simply scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see right here, we've got this section, this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can see that I've been using it for 27 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. If you want to, you can tap on the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, thanks to which you can compare particular days, because as you can see, we've got the days of the week here. You can go back to the previous weeks, of course, and check how much time you've spent on the device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.